Alright, you see this guy on my screen, they call him Okwulora, very respected in the eastern part of social media, you know, respected Igbo guy, all the eastern brothers, they respect him because of what they do. But if like saying me go send him go prison. Now, what does he do? And let me explain why. Because anytime me carry petition enter now, while lie, it's a thin line between him and prison, and I kid you not. Now, what does this guy do? Now, if you check in page, you understand, you go see things like this, where we say, in they help people. If person get kidney problem, heart problem, all those kind of things, in go beg people like a GoFundMe, they go help you. Now, see one of his posts. Chigozie is only 17. His kidney failed last October. They are out of cash at home. Well, please, nothing is too small. Now, people will contribute money, they will send it to him, you will take care of the person, you will give the person. Now, if you send the money, in go contact you say me, you send a receipt. While you are sending your receipts to him, you go to save your number. You understand? So he now finally saved their number, he now created a group. As he created the group, he now told them that he was coming to the UK. Okwulora is coming to the UK. So see the time he created the group. He created this group on the 26th of March, 2023. As you can see, thank you for adding me, Okwulora. You understand? Miriam, welcome. My name is Ukechukwu. People just introduce themselves. You know, I live in Glasgow, Scotland, blah, blah, blah. Talk. He now told them he was coming to the UK. Do you understand? They were excited. These people went out of their way. They printed polo. The day he came, see a video, see videos. The day he came, they went to the airport. All of them, they danced. They happy. Oh, this guy who is the voice of the voiceless is in the UK. These people gathered money. They even print flyer. See flyer. They gather their money. As they gather their money now, they can't give them money. Like they put money for envelopes. Some people see now, see the list of people that contribute. This one £50, £100, £150. They gather them, they reach like 3,000 something pounds. They book hotel for them. They carry food, go give them. Make sure it was okay. Now this guy now left the UK. You understand? When he leave the UK now, inside in group, do you understand? Inside that group where we say in gets, somebody can comment. Somebody can post something. The name of the woman is Florence. She can say, good morning everyone. If you are a student and need sponsorship, chat me up for details. Do you understand? Based on COS, certificate of sponsor, where you go change your status, where you go help you get permanent stay for there. You know those their settings. So we say, okay, you won't settle down there. So they can't talk. She can't give them their price. You know, normally do COS 5,000, 10,000 and the rest. So a lot of people now said, okay, they were going to do it. They can't start to send money. This is one picture where the woman even went to go and collect cash. See the woman. Now, on this day, she collected £26,000 from the person that took her this picture. You understand? Just for that COS matter. Now, she collected this money and other people transferred money to this woman. Do you understand? In this Okwulora's group, the guy no talk anything. He did not say jack. Now, we call this time, bring COS. Madam give the first person fake COS. As they detect, other people can start to complain. Where our COS? Where our COS? Where our COS? You know what I'm saying? The woman can't come out from the group. Now, anybody will come ask, say, Okwulora, where our money in your group? In go delete the message. As you can see, in go delete the message. Next thing you know, this guy start to remove people from the group. Look at, as you can see, Okwulora remove Chomi Sparkling. Okwulora remove My Despise. Okwulora remove Adora, Linda, Patrick, Doctor. He just remove all the people where they complain about their money. Do you understand? I remove them by now in the already in Nigeria. When the dragging done too much, people don't they complain, people don't they cry. You say the voice of the voiceless. But after the way where we treat you, when you come to UK, you can't join hand with this woman, make scammers. This guy now can't invite the woman for a Facebook Live. Do you understand? Now, see the Facebook Live.
Do you Mona go Kugoku before Saturday? Yeah, man.
No.
Mona go Funu go before.
Now, in this Facebook Live, in they use Igbo, they tell the woman, say, me and you know ourselves before, me and you know ourselves. You know, instead of him to be telling the woman that, madam, give them their money, he just tell the woman, say, I beg, I don't know you, you don't know me. This person where they talk say, I don't know you, you don't know me. See him and the woman here. See the picture of him and the woman together that time when he come UK. Do you understand? Picture day of two of them together. Now, what is funny is the woman now she stay for UK, but the people who contribute money to the woman, they no dare go meet the woman because it is not legal for UK. Maybe they say COS, and they no fit go carry police because if they carry police, all of them go enter wahala. Do you understand? So all of them they see who collect their money, but they no fit talk. Then they talk to the Okwulora, say that you will respect, help us, in they remove them. At the end of the day, Okwulora delete the WhatsApp group. How much was contributed? 192,000 pounds. How much be 192,000 pounds now like this? That 2023 now. That 292,000 pounds now around that kind 1918 1716. More just put down for 15. Do you understand? So 100,000 pounds will be 150 million naira. Then not talk about the 92 where did it. That's almost 300-400 million naira. Do you understand where this guy collects? And this guy pets on Nigeria. And this Nigeria went there now. All the people contribute the money for and for UK. Do you understand? They no fit come here. Because them said their leg no strong for there. So the guy just there here. And himself no go there. Then them too, they no fit go arrest the woman. Because they Mona, no worry. You understand? It's not on my table. You understand? See receipts. See different receipts where they send to that woman. You understand? See different receipts of people where they do transfer. Because they say for UK, you know if you just outrightly just transfer 5,000 naira at a stress. So some people they contribute 1,000 today, they'll pay out 1,000 tomorrow. Different people send money to these people. But these people they use open wide, they don't want. So Okwulora, you in Nigeria, your own day very easy. Very, very easy to pick you, no hard. I'll carry my evidence, I'll carry my petition, I'll go and submit it. Madam, you in the UK now, you won't even sweet me pass. You understand? Now you won't sweet me pass. From here, they'll carry you, they will send the message, they will bring you come. You understand? No be small money be that. That's not big money. No not pay that money. 24 hours now give you now. If I no see anything, I package the petition and I take it there. By that time, you no go fit do anything again. So Okwulora in the east, when my Igbo brothers, Mona call and one and else, you go be saying a very dark man. I said I go. And now let me tell you people in Nigeria, people don't understand something. This place where they carry me go detain me. Now we are taking no say the cybercrime law for Nigeria strong. You understand? If you read things on cybercrime on this country, you don't feel we insult person. Not talk of maybe you collect person money, you know return am, or you scam person online. I dey tell you the truth. So Okwulora, na me know what I dey tell you. Na me know say our lie, you go say you go prison. So I'll just tell you don't play so that you know go learn. 24 hours and I'm giving you. Next thing where you go see and me and petition when I go submit. By that time, you know go fit do anything again. Thank you very much. Don't play.